creating a vision board that actually works in 2021. Welcome back to another video. I'm Maximilian. I help entrepreneurs reprogram their life, rewire their minds for happiness, success, abundance, fulfillment, confidence, you name it, I do it. And this is how in 2021 you can create a vision board that actually works. So before we get started, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post. But other than that, let's start making these vision boards. So first things first, you're going to need a bit of paper, and you're going to need to rip that paper because we're not going to be using paper today for this vision board, because I call it a virtual vision board. We do not need paper. We are not old school. We live in the new era. We live in 2021 now. We need to move on from the old ways. Yes, the old ways could have worked back then, but I've got a much more profound and a much better way to create a vision board so that you get the most from it, so that you change everything or what you want to change in your life. So a bit of proof to why these virtual vision boards work and why I personally make them for the people I work with. So if you do want to work with me and you want me to make you one, just let me know. Head over to my website and schedule a subconscious mind analysis so that we can get started whenever you would like to. But the main thing to understand is how do they work for starters, and do they actually work for starters? And I've got a lot of evidence and proof in my ones working. My virtual vision boards are all about health, wealth, relationships, and all that kind of good stuff, success, everything like that. Now, if you look closely in some of my vision boards, this is the funniest thing that manifested from the vision board, which was just like, when I saw it, I was like, oh my God, that is ridiculous. But what it was I got a new car. Now, in my vision board, the car that I wanted is a green Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. Of course, I haven't got that yet. But the funny thing is that in that exact video, there's a silver Volkswagen Golf. Now, I bought a silver Volkswagen Golf, very similar age to the one that's in the video. I think it literally is the same age as it. And that is now in my life, and I got an extremely good deal on it. Extremely good. It's such low mileage. Like, I'm gonna make money on the car when I sell it, which you don't really tend to hear. And I'm not gonna do anything to it. I'm not gonna upgrade it or anything like that. I'm just gonna make money on it when I sell it, even in a few years, because I got such a good deal, because it was being programmed in here without me even realizing. The second thing I got from it, I manifested my girlfriend now. She actually came into my life, and that was because I was focusing on love and I was focusing on my vision board. And my virtual vision board has that aspect of being in a relationship, of love, of receiving love, of giving love. So naturally, it's programming my mind to feel that of love. Ever since I've been watching my vision board, my income has dramatically increased. I've been able to earn more money. I've been able to reach more people. Again, part of my vision board. Now, some of the things haven't happened yet. As I said, the Lamborghini, me speaking on a stage in front of people right now, it's kind of impossible. But these things have happened. Some things have happened. There's other things that haven't quite happened yet, but they will. Because just as you're focusing your intention on it, what you focus your intention on comes to you eventually. So the more I focus on it, the more I do it repetitively. It's not about how many times can I watch it in a day. It's about how many days can I watch it in a year. If you do it every day for a year, you are physically programming your subconscious mind to know what is in that video, so that it comes to you. So the main reason that a virtual vision board works is because you're hitting 3 of the 5 senses. Now, in order for anything to manifest in our life, we must know that it's real. So the more senses we are hitting, the more it's real in here. And when you're in a still state of mind, your brain cannot differentiate between what is real and what is imagined when you're in that state. So if you're in that hypnotic state, that meditative state, and you're watching this, your mind believes and knows that that is what is real right now. What senses are we hitting? We're hitting the C. You're obviously seeing it, and this is what you get with a normal paperback vision board. When you're looking at it, you're seeing what's on there, you're programming your mind. The second part is, obviously, I recommend to use headphones because I put specific theta tones on it, and also specific music to your needs, whatever music you like. For example, you may like salsa music, you may like Jamaican music, you may like calming music, you may like piano music, whatever it is that you personally desire. So you're hitting the audio sense as well. So you're seeing something, you're hearing something, and then the main goal with this is to be able to feel something, feel the emotions of what it's like to be in that place. And the way you get yourself to feel the emotions is by adding more senses. So you're seeing and hearing something, you're going to add those senses into your visualization essentially of this virtual vision board. While you're watching it, you're feeling what it's like to be there. You're hearing those sounds of what it's like when you are there. You're seeing what it is like to be in that place. And obviously, in my opinion, watching a video is much more powerful than seeing a picture of the beach. When I watch the video of the beach, I can really feel myself there. And the goal with it is to get yourself to that place where this is my life, this is who I am. And that's the reason why I prefer virtual vision boards, that's what I call them, over a generic vision board, because I don't want you to just think about it. And don't get me wrong, that doesn't mean that you shouldn't do them. The reason I do virtual vision boards now is because I know how to make them. If you don't know how to make them, use a generic paper one. I personally think they take a little bit longer because you're not adding in all these senses, and all the things that were on my vision board haven't manifested. Maybe a couple of things have manifested from it, but the reason I use virtual vision boards is because those things that I've wanted have manifested much quicker, and the bigger things have manifested as well, from income to a new car to a full relationship, all these type of amazing things that have happened in my life because of my virtual vision board. So how do you actually make a virtual vision board? Now, I personally use an app called Adobe Premiere Pro, and I know that does cost, so some people, you may not have that ability to do so. The other cheaper option, which I used to use, is called Lightworks. Now, Lightworks is a much cheaper and more affordable option. I think it's like £90 for the year, or you can do it for like monthly for like £15. So if you have £15, you'll just need to understand how to work it and stuff like that. But essentially, all you do is you go onto all these free sites, to get the free stock videos, to get the beaches, the houses, everything that you desire. And also you can use non-copyrighted music. So you can also go onto YouTube. Obviously, if you're not posting these virtual vision boards anywhere, you can go onto YouTube, you can find videos, you can edit some of the videos out, you can put them into your vision boards, because they're just for your use. They're just for you to watch. It's not copyrights, anything like that. Now, I tend to use non-copyright music anyway. I don't like to use music with lyrics in it specifically, because I don't want to get distracted by the lyrics. I want to know what's going on in the video. That's the main reason why I don't use lyrics in videos. But also, I put affirmations over each video. So I will put, for example, and I'll put some of the vision board in here, but for example, I will put the affirmation, I will say it. So again, you're hearing the affirmation, you're seeing the place, you're feeling the emotions, you're hearing the music, you're getting everything, you're feeling the feelings of what it's like to be there, right there and then. And rather than just looking at a piece of paper on your wall with some pictures on it, you're actually in the manifestation, you're in what it is that you desire in your life. Stand together and create harmony. Spread your love and let it shine. Now, these videos may be a little bit tricky for people to make if you've never used any video editing software at all. I know I had to I learned it all myself. It took me a long time to learn, but Lightworks was a very simple one for me to get grips with, because it literally is drag, drop, cut, paste, all that kind of stuff. You can add anything you want. You can put you get a microphone, you can put any affirmations on it, anything like that. But if you do want me to do this for you, just send me a message on Instagram, or head over to my website, www.maxhindle.com, and we can schedule in a call so that I can explain why you get this with my program, because it's part of the program. It's a free add-on to my program. You get it completely free. I don't charge any money for it. It's yours. It's yours for the taking. And the more you watch it, the more you're programming your subconscious mind, and you're completely and fully changing your life. So if you want that, just let me know, so that you can completely scrap that paperback version of a vision board and make yourself, or get myself to make yourself, a virtual vision board, so that you get those results much quicker, so that you get everything that you want much quicker, so that you become the person that you deserve to become. So with that being said, I hope this video has given you some information, some inspiration, and some motivation to help you change your life. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post. But other than that, have an absolutely amazing day. Enjoy your virtual vision boards. Oh, by the way, click the link in the description or any of the cards in this video so that you can watch my vision boards of an idea of what you can get. Other than that, have an amazing day. Keep spreading love, kindness, and so much positivity.